Alright, tonight I'm going to work on getting these trailer fenders installed on the trailer I'm building, because I'm going to try and go get it licensed. So I'm going to take this scrap square tubing, I think, and I think the way I'm going to do it is I'm just going to weld this up to the frame, and then just put a couple of tacks, like just a small short bead, small short bead, small short bead. Alright, the trailer is finished. What we got here is a like 1970s, maybe 1980s, I'm not really sure, like old Mazda rear end of a pickup truck. And I took the bed off, I turned it into something else. That didn't really work out. It was supposed to be like a little camper. That didn't really work. It just couldn't hold up the weight of that little building on top of it. I should have known better, but it was one of those dumb things you do and learn it was dumb after it's finished. Anyway, but moving on. This whole part here was welded up before I got it, but I did add this trailer jack, which is pretty nice, 25 bucks from Tractor Supply. Got that welded up tonight. I did a video of installing the safety chains, so my subs have seen that, or our subs have seen that. But in this video you watched the redneck fenders get installed and welded up, and then just to avoid walking back there, I'll go this far, but then I welded up the lights on the back, and I built it completely out of scrap metal. I hope you can see that. Yeah, that white pipe there, got that from work. That's just a short scrap that was getting thrown away. So I got a bunch of parts and pieces from work, and so this thing was pretty much entirely built out of scrap metal, other than, or scraps in general, other than the wood, the jack, the chains, and the lights, and the fenders. But even the fenders, the supports were from scrap. So anyway, yep, this is my trailer build. If you want to see more projects like this, then please subscribe for more. Thank you for watching Working Brothers. I'm Derek. Have a good one.